Imagine earning over $524,000 annually with an AI side hustle that requires nearly no effort. No coding, no hefty investment. Just AI doing the work for you. This is the most accessible AI side hustle for 2025. And today, I'll reveal exactly how to get started and why this method is gaining popularity. Stay with me until the end because I'll share a secret strategy for rapidly scaling this side hustle to six figures. Let's get started. So, what's this game-changing AI side hustle? It's AI-generated faceless YouTube videos. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to record your voice. You don't even need to edit videos yourself. AI can do everything, from writing scripts to creating visuals and voiceovers. And YouTube pays big money for videos that get views. One viral video can make thousands of dollars in ad revenue. Let's talk numbers. Small YouTube channels make $2,000 to $10,000 a month. Bigger channels easily pull in $50,000 to $100,000 plus a month. Some YouTube automation channels clear $524,000 a year or more. And the best part? Once a video is posted, it makes money forever. You can earn in your sleep. Here's how you can start a faceless AI YouTube channel today. Step 1. Choose a trending niche. Select a niche that attracts high views, such as AI and tech, finance and side hustles, motivational videos, celebrities and luxury. Step 2. Use AI to create videos. Let AI handle the work for you. ChatGPT generates viral scripts in seconds. Pictory.ai converts text into videos. ElevenLabs or Murf.ai produces human-like voiceovers. Step 3. Upload and monetize. Upload videos consistently and monetize your channel through YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Want to grow even faster? Here's the secret. Use AI to post daily. More videos, more chances to go viral. Outsource with AI tools. Let AI handle editing, thumbnails, and SEO. Leverage affiliate marketing. Add links to AI tools and earn even more passive income. Want to see my next AI business idea? Subscribe now. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Thank you.